Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share 20 secrets for digital marketing that can help your business grow. Number 1. Know your target audience. Understanding who your target audience is, what they need and want, and how they behave online will help you tailor your marketing strategy to reach them effectively. Number 2. Create valuable content. Providing valuable and informative content that your target audience finds helpful will help you build trust and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Number 3. Invest in search engine optimization. SEO. Optimizing your website and content for search engines can increase your visibility and drive more organic traffic to your site. Number 4. Utilize social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great for reaching a large audience and engaging with your followers. Number 5. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach your target audience and keep them updated on your latest products and services. Number 6. Focus on mobile optimization. With more and more people using their mobile devices to browse the web, it's important to make sure your website and content are optimized for mobile. Number 7. Utilize influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers in your industry can help you reach a new and engaged audience. Number 8. Leverage the power of video. Video content is highly engaging and can help you stand out in a crowded online space. Number 9. Utilize paid advertising. Paid advertising, such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads, can help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your site. Number 10. Track your data. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, audience behavior, and conversion rates to continually improve your marketing strategy. Number 11. Make your website user-friendly. A user-friendly website with a clear and simple navigation can improve user experience and increase conversions. Number 12. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service can help you build a strong reputation and keep customers coming back. Number 13. Utilize retargeting. Retargeting ads can help you reach people who have previously visited your website and encourage them to come back and make a purchase. Number 14. Utilize A/B testing. A/B testing can help you determine which version of your website or marketing campaign is more effective, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Number 15. Invest in content marketing. Creating valuable and informative content can help you attract and retain customers and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Number 16. Utilize chatbots. Chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support and improve the overall user experience on your website. Number 17. Utilize affiliate marketing. Partnering with affiliates can help you reach a wider audience and drive more sales. Number 18. Utilize user-generated content. Encouraging your customers to share their experiences with your products or services can help build trust and credibility. Number 19. Make use of referral marketing. Encouraging your satisfied customers to refer your business to others can help you reach a new and engaged audience. Number 20. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keeping up with the latest digital marketing trends and technology can help you stay ahead of the competition and continuously improve your marketing strategy. And there you have it, 20 secrets for digital marketing that can help your business grow.